So today we're going to be talking about my brand new Chanel mini top handle in this beautiful Rose Clair color. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if new around here. My name is Eliza and thank you so much for joining me today for this video. As mentioned before, in today's video we're going to be talking in more detail about my new mini Chanel top handle in this beautiful Rose Clair or light pink color. But before we get started, I wanted to say a few words. If you follow me for a while, you know that I'm totally not into colors, especially not into pinks. In fact, I don't like pink at all, but let's be honest, after watching the Barbie movie, I got absolutely hooked on these beautiful pastel baby blue and baby pink colors. When she opens her closet and there are like blue and pink and yellow Chanel bags, and I thought, oh my goodness, I need to have one for myself as a reminder, because every single outfit in this Barbie movie is just so beautiful and I absolutely love it, especially the one with baby pink and baby blue stripes that Barbie wears. It's so gorgeous. So I've decided to just get myself this beautiful mini Chanel top handle and have it in my collection. And in fact, it's such a beautiful bag. It's actually from, let me tell you, I believe it's from 22S collection, and the color is so gorgeous. It's like a strawberry milkshake color. It's not that pink as I expected it to be. It's so beautiful. It's so muted and very, you know, washed pastel color, which I absolutely adore, and it comes with this beautiful champagne gold hardware. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into more details and I will show you the bag. So as you can see, the bag itself is relatively small because, like, literally it's mini top handle bag, and I believe it's either 17 or 20 centimeters, and it's so handy. It's so comfortable to wear and it's just exactly the size that I was looking for. I have the one in black, and let me tell you, it's been one of my favorite bags for the past few years, and I've been reaching out to this quite often for all kinds of outfits because, like, it's black, it's gold hardware. But yeah, I decided that I don't have anything like that, like a mini top handle bag in lighter shades or lighter colors. So, and I have this beautiful like pastel washed pink color in this beautiful champagne gold hardware. But honestly, when I first saw it, I thought that it's a silver hardware somehow, because like with pink, actually it's very difficult to tell whether it's a champagne gold hardware or silver hardware. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful bag with amazing top handle, and I have it in a lambskin leather. It's so soft, it's so gorgeous, it's not shiny at all, it's very pleasant to touch. It's like, you know, that piece of cake that you always wanted, and I absolutely love it. Again, this is a very traditional classic Chanel bag with the back pocket here, and all the details are just adorable. Let's get inside. As you can see, we have a pretty spacious compartment with a little side pocket here and a zip pocket here, which I find pretty convenient. But once again, like with all the light colored Chanel bags, especially when they come in this beautiful lambskin leather, you really need to baby this bag, because, like, look at this, the leather is so delicate, is so beautiful and subtle that you really need to take care of your bag. I prefer to just put a nice leather spray on top to avoid any scratches whatsoever. But again, yeah, because it's so delicate, you really need to take a good care of it, and especially try not to wear it with something that color transfer and stuff like that. And of course your hands need to be clean, because as I foresee, the problem would be a top handle itself. You either can wear a twilly, although I don't think the twilly here would be necessary because it's such a beautiful bag without twillies. It's gonna be too much. Now, the minor issue that I faced with all my mini top handles is the chain, because it's not adjustable like in Chanel Classic Flap. So you need to wear it either crossbody or on your shoulder, and it gets entangled so easily, and it's pretty annoying really, because you can't really detach the chain from here, and you can't adjust the length of the chain, which can be not very practical. But as a top handle, it does just fine. It's a great bag to wear again on your shoulder. Don't think it's very good. Neither do I think that it's a good choice to wear it as a crossbody. Maybe with a little black dress, something like this, it will do as a crossbody, because like it's a nice length, it has a very nice length to it. But again, because it's a very, very delicate bag, I would rather wear it as a top handle bag. But again, I prefer to wear this bag as a top handle bag because it's so delicate, it's so beautiful. But again, we have the problem with the chain. It gets entangled very easily, and you can't really hide it in a main compartment because it won't look very elegant, honestly. But overall, this is such a darling and beautiful bag. And if you're opting for some subtle colors in your wardrobe, I would rather recommend to go for like pastel pinks, pastel blues, or pastel yellows. Actually, next bag that I was thinking about would be pastel yellow, because I really like sort of washed yellow color, and Chanel has the most beautiful classic flaps in this like washed off yellow color. So yeah, this is definitely a great bag to have around, although not many outfits to wear it about, because like it's a bag for younger girls, I say, because like the color is a very young, it's very delicate. But I thought nonetheless I would like to have it in my collection, and yeah, I still love it so much. Now, that was pretty much it for today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. And as usual, you can find all the information in the description box down below in case you're wondering what I'm wearing. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next one.